Now making paratha for suhoor or siri for 22 days Ramadan fasting, and today is Thursday. And now I'm making this, so we'll put now fresh buffalo milk here. And making parathas. And this is my rice mixed with chicken curry or chicken clay. So this only for me, because for them is paratha with tea and pakoras and parathas. It's already close fasting. Now there is already azan for Fajr. And time check is 4:57 a.m. and it's raining. My recipe for 22 days Ramadan fasting is lady fingers, bamya or okra or bindia, tawag nila dito sa Pakistan. So I wash already this one 3 times. Now I have to remove this one and this one, and I have to cut also slice. Now we start now to cut like that and then cut like that. This one is hard, so no need this one. So I will start cook now, and this one I will boil this one, then I will put bagoong isda with lemon juice. So ang dami ito yung matigas. Onions, tomatoes, garlics, hindi pa ako naka-slice. Then salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. Now we'll put now also this garlics. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put now this salt, chili powder, turmeric powder. To be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this lady fingers or okra or bamya or bindia. Yan. 1.5 kilogram itong pinabili ko kay Fahad. Tapos konti lang yung tinira ko para i-boil ko. Or ipatong ko na lang siguro sa kanin pag nagsaing ako ng kanin. Tapos lagyan ko ng bagoong isda with lemon juice. Wow, sarap. Let's saute now onions. And then we can put now this garlics, ginger. As you can see, garlics too much. So this is already lady finger curry. And I will cook also liver, what do you call this? Liver cow curry. I have 2 recipes for today. Then this one I will transfer in another container. Then I will cook rice here. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put now this chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. To be followed by tomatoes and green chili. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this cow's liver and heart. So we'll put now this one. I strain also kasi too much water. Ayan. I-strain ko. One and a half kilogram na liver, cow's liver with heart. Now let's check. Today I will not make pakora because yesterday still there is extra. So see? So no need to make today. Now let's check. So this is already cooked. I add more gravy. Now we can put toppings, coriander leaves or parsley organic. Cow's liver curry with toppings with coriander leaves. Alhamdulillah, done our iftari and dinner, but this fruit fruit salad we can eat after. And this extra also for sharbat or juice we can eat also. Now we ate already dates and this one left over yesterday. So today I did not cook pakora but still there is. And roti finish because my husband, Langga, Fahad and Fatma they eat chapati. And for me I eat rice. And with the lady fingers I put her in rice together. So this is my plate here. Ayan ang sarap ng aking kain with bagoong isda. Ayan oh. Ayan, from Philippines pa ito, then lemon juice. Ang sarap ng aking kain. And then ito hindi na hindi na kunan. So bukas hindi na ako magluluto ng ng ulam namin. At saka ito na yung cow liver curry. Ayan, marami pa din. So bukas din na din ako magluluto ng ulam kasi marami pa ito extra oh. Then meron din lady finger. Pati rice din ako luluto. Chapati lang yung aking lulutuin. So, alhamdulillah, done our iftari and dinner for 22 days Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah.